Hi Collective, Ishana. Let's get a reading. Archangel Michael, I ask that you preside over this reading. I ask that you protect me and my collective as we channel, transmute, and harmonize the energy for the highest good. Ashe. Alright, collective, we're going to use the Tiny Tarot, my deck, and this is another new deck that I got. The Band Books Tarot deck. I don't know a lot of these books in here, but it's cute. And I just wrote a little cheat sheet, okay? Okay. Archangel Michael, show us, what do we need to be aware of? What is the situation? Just one, please, on the top. Just one. Mystery card. Just one. Okay, thank you. That's two. The Empress. The Awakening. Kate Chopin. Okay. Thank you. What is the obstacle? A lot of books there. Fruitful with knowledge. Thank you. The obstacle is the sun. The Diary of a Young Girl, Anne Frank. This came out before when I was just looking at the deck, doing like a little fun read, right? But she was in on a different card though. Okay, so Anne Frank, I think there's two cards referencing her, okay? Spiritual advice, one card please. Archangel Michael. Two. Wow. Tower. Look like the Lovers. Okay. Thank you. Show me the outcome. The divine outcome. Thank you. That was quick. Three of Inkwells, which is the Three of Cups, I think, right? James and the Peach by Roald Dahl. Okay. And at the bottom of the deck is the Nine of Pens, the Nine of Swords, okay? There's a lot of fear and anxiety. I don't know. Maybe someone's having nightmares of a monster that used to attack them as a child, okay? That's what I'm getting. Okay. It says Goosebumps, right? Right? Yeah, that was geared towards teenagers, right? I loved Goosebumps, right? R.L. Stein. So maybe that's significant to someone in the collective, right? And I'm getting here the pens, right? I'm getting like, oh, you can't see them. Let me see. I'm getting like the pens have eyes. Okay? I don't know what that's about, people. But the pens have eyes. You can't see them. Someone's being haunted by a childhood ghost. Okay. Let's pull the cards. One card for the situation, please. Thank you. Three of Swords, almost in the reverse. Beautiful. One card, please, for the obstacle. This is messy. Okay, two. Thank you. One card for the spiritual advice. Something about a plane. Okay. Fire. Forest fire, possibly. Okay. We're going to take this Seven of Pentacles. One card for the divine outcome. Just one, please, Archangel Michael. Just one. Some sort of magically have one card come out of this deck. Okay, we got to shuffle again. Divine outcome. Something came out too. Okay, thank you. And we have the Four of Cups here. Okay, some sort of missed opportunity. We're almost there. Collective. We're almost there. Show me the situation. Talking about. Thank you. Soul Ascension. The Empress. Coming out of heartbreak, I'm getting. Ascending. One soul. The obstacle. Show me that. This could be you deciding to walk into your happiness. And people seeing you do that. Show me the spiritual advice. Let me move this card out. Spiritual advice. I'm getting like, let it burn, baby. Let's keep this as the mystery card. Spiritual advice. If someone's in fear. Thank you. Divine outcome. Thank you. Beautiful. Peacock. And what is that? 3 cups, right? That looks good so far. All right, let's move the outcome over so we can read what we have in front of us. Let me keep my little cheat sheet over here. All right, that's spiritual advice. All right, we have the obstacle and the situation. And at the bottom of the deck here, they come with the loud card. They're back, people. At the bottom of the deck, we have I, J, K, and L. All right, y'all. If I get quiet, I don't want them to hear me. So they won't have reason to make a lot of noise. This is interesting. Empress, you're manifesting something beautiful, I'm getting. Look at all these vibrant colors. The Empress and the Magician. This could be some sort of intellectual property. With all those books, right? Something that you love. Maybe there's many fascinating details to whatever this is. With all the colors, right? Maybe there's some sort of geometric aspect to it with the shapes. But I'm definitely getting intellectual property with all these books. And the fruitfulness of the Empress. And you're sitting there in grace, okay? You could be a melanated woman, right? You don't have to be. But there was some sort of heartbreak I'm getting. that triggered this. I'm getting like an awakening, right? We have soul ascension here. Okay? Maybe we'll see what this heartbreak was. Okay? Yeah, but you decided to take this pain, right? Your heart being turned upside down, right? Shattered and torn. You decided to take it and heal it. Take the swords out, right? And heal it. You can see those little dots. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see them. Okay, those are like maybe the scars from all the swords that have been in your heart that you had to keep healing, right? Some mysticality to your being there, right? If that makes sense. And you turned your heart into upright. Therefore, taking yourself out of this wounded place. And you're ascending. That is the achievement. Your ascension. And you were wise enough to know that. Let's see. Because you realized you were getting snaked by a snake. Okay? That's what this heartbreak is. Let's see if we can get a face on this person. Who is this snake that this Empress, magician, had to heal from? Who is the snake? Just one, please. The snake don't want to be seen, huh? Let's see. I see the high priestess at the bottom of the deck. Okay, somebody don't want to be seen. Show me the snake. The fool, right? Somebody was a fool. This snake, yeah. This was their goal and their aim. Maybe they did something with your intellectual property. See, they're standing on these books. These books are significant. Something about your wisdom, your intellect, okay? Your intelligence. And the defeat is suppressing that, keeping you from reading your books. I don't know what the hell this is. Maybe this is misogyny of some sorts. Misogyny, here we go again. That weak ass hatred of women, right? Yeah, okay, they did something foolish. They took a leap of faith, right? I'm getting like they were scheming and planning. Look at his face. Sitting there looking like Gomer Pyle or somebody, for those who know, right? Scheming, I'm getting. How they can suppress your intellect. Okay? Cast some sort of illusion, some smoke cloud, right? Surrounding you. Wherever this person goes, a cloud of smoke goes, people. He's a smoky fellow. I don't know what this is. Somebody could be like from the country or something. Alright, but this Two of Paper is the Two of Pentacles. Listen to all this noise. It's unbelievable. Alright, but we have the Two of Pentacles, right? Or the Two of Paper. Some plan to interfere with your stability. I'm getting your money though, but I think it's more of your mental health, your mental well-being. Trying to pull a fast one, okay? I know I saw the Seven of Swords. There it is. Well, no, this is the Seven of Wands, okay? But someone was fighting you. This man. Fighting you for your own thoughts, I don't know, for power over your own mind, okay? But somehow you got out of it. I'm getting, and thank goodness. Okay. Obstacle. The sun, some sort of exposure. But it says the diary of a girl, Anne Frank. No, the diary of a young girl, Anne Frank. The sun. I'm getting like restriction, you know, suppression of that feminine expression. That's the obstacle. Casting like illusions around surrounding femininity. Yo, I'm sleepy. Alright. Femininity, okay? I did it. Alright, but casting some sort of illusion surrounding that. Okay? Women. The role of women. What is this about? I mean, why are we talking about this once again? Okay. Yeah, 7 of Wands. And, oh yeah, this is the 7 of Swords, y'all. I was right. Okay? Injustice is under that. Alright. 7, 7. And 7. 7, 7, 7. I'm getting divine intervention, right? And did we have the tower somewhere? Yeah, the tower's right here, okay? To break this illusion surrounding women, the role of women, this particular Empress, I don't know, you know, or a particular group of Empresses. Obstacle. Yeah, something to do with the mind. Serendipitous mind. Good fortune. Fruitful. So they try to suppress your Empress mind, your ability to manifest, wanting to control that, okay? This is the obstacle. Okay, let's see what this is. Maybe the obstacle is the fact that you are the Empress and you know it. So this plan that they had to deceive you, okay, they couldn't do it. Okay? And look, y'all, we got 777. This is 7 words, 7 of words, which is the 7 of Wands. We have the 7 of Pens, which is the 7 of Swords. Wow, confirmed over here with the 7 of Wands and the 7 of Cups. Okay? A lot of intervention. Trying to control the mind, the fruitful mind of the Empress. And we did have the High Priest at the bottom of the deck at one point, right? Alright, let's see. Your mission will help change this world. This is the obstacle. They can't stop you in your fruitful mind. My goodness. Isn't there something, y'all? You're going to do something wonderful. Maybe it has something to do with healing the mind. Okay? Wonderful. Now, who in the world would want to stop you from doing that but a lunatic? Okay? We got a lunatic being described as a snake. But there's a lot of fear. I don't know what this is. Maybe this was their worst fear as a child, okay? This misogynist, you know, that women would wake up and take charge and work on their intellect and own their own intellectual property. I don't know. What kind of nightmare is this? Huh? This is some child's play. Okay? Okay. This is the spiritual advice. The lovers, that dynamic between women and men in this relationship, some sort of divine intervention. But what's the book here? It says Lady Chatterley's Lover, D.H. Lawrence, okay? Could also be a decision. Spiritual advice. There's some sort of tower, okay? There's something about smoking clouds or something, okay? And a plane, okay? I think I saw a plane over here somewhere. It's investment. Maybe they know there's no longer an investment, Maybe, I don't know. The emerald tablets, this keeps coming out. Yeah, listen to all this noise. I'm getting something like tradition, okay? There's a tower to that dynamic between the masculine and the feminine that has been portrayed, since we were younger, and your grandparents and your grandparents' grandparents, right? I'm getting like a pole shift, okay? These investments, these lies that have been told about, who we are and how we should operate. These paradigms are being brought down, okay? So maybe we're reverting back to the true way of, living life with the emerald tablets, right? Some sort of guidance. All right, let's see. Spiritual advice. Maybe these paradigms, these structures, these role plays that have been given to us, they're going down in flames. The whole, structure, the whole thing. 8th house. Healing, renewal, transformation, death and rebirth, shadow, sex, inheritance, money, property, joint resources, okay? So I'm getting, some sort of renewal and transformation of this whole paradigm between men and women. All right, y'all. Let's see. Let's get something on emerald tablets real quick. Show me the emerald tablets, please. Yeah, that's a quick. Oh my! That one fell on the floor. Okay. We have "You Are Good Enough." Okay. So this is for those feminine energies within the relationships. Okay, you're good enough. Anybody who doesn't want you to think for yourself and develop yourself, that's not the person for you. Okay. And they don't have the right to suppress you into a relationship, forcing you into a relationship. Okay? And see, look at this. This man and this woman are together. He's taller than her, right? So he's towering over her. And she's looking up to him, right? So it's like women looking up to men, right? To guide them, right? And then you have this patriarchal figure looking over the whole institution of marriage, right? Yeah, that's over. That's what I'm getting. Death and rebirth to this, okay? Death and transformation into something new. Emerald tablets. Lightning strike. It's bringing down. This is the tower. It's bringing it down. Maybe this is through a revelation, a download from Thoth to, I don't know, several people. Like an epiphany all at once. We know it, but it's like it completely no longer makes sense. I'm not a Yankees fan, y'all. Maybe this is going to happen for someone. I don't know, or it has. This revelation, I don't know. All right, collective, let's get the outcome. 3 of Pentacles, no. 3 of Inkwells, which is the 3 of Cups. Some sort of celebration, right? Fun, maybe. Celebration. It says Giant James and the Giant Peach Road Doll. They look happy, right? I don't know what the hell they're doing, but they look elated. I don't know. Might be a little bit high off of some peach juice or something. I don't know. Okay, let's see. But there's some sort of regret, right? These people that want to suppress people, narcissists, right? Some sort of quick movement. This could be, I don't know what this is, y'all. Some sort of lustful behavior, but maybe this is these people going off in some delusional world. I don't know what's going on. You're healing, though. Okay? Maybe this is just talking about your healing, right? And I'm just going off track with this Knight of Wands, okay? This is a good Knight of Wands. You going passionately towards your healing and your dreams and what you love, right? Yeah, maybe that's what it is. And you're just elated so much that you may look like a mad person in the process, right? To onlookers, right? It's okay. Shit, you earned it, right? All right, let's see. Yeah, because we got Peacock, right? Beauty, dignity, wisdom, resurrection, good luck, eternal life. So maybe you're drunk. You're intoxicated with the idea. How wonderful. Nirvana, baby. What a beautiful outcome. Okay? It says paradise of peace. Never-ending orgasm, okay? You're about to have a never-ending orgasm of peace and paradise. Beautiful, healing, passionate new endeavors. Going in, rushing in and out of your endeavors and your creative ideas. Possibly multitasking, right? But these people, this man or this male paradigm, they're just left up in their head. Okay? Alright, let's get the mystery cards and close out. Because there's a lot of noise going on out here. I don't know what's going on, people. There's a lot of noise in the building. Okay? Mystery card number 1. 7 of Inkwells, which is the 7 of Cups. Didn't we have the 7 of Cups in the little deck, right? I think we did. And, yeah, it's these people. But you're also going to have celebration, right? The sun also rises. Ernest Hemingway, okay? All right, so maybe this one is speaking to your, your options. Joy and peace and happiness, fruitfulness. These look like good things in these cups, nice grapes. Looks like diamonds and wheats and wheat. And I don't know what these things are, okay? But it all looks good to me. Now all those don't look too great, but alright, the other mystery card is yeah. But remember this. My tears rain down hellfire on my enemies. Okay, so you've defeated these people and now they're stuck in fear and anxiety and shame. But will they stop? I don't know. Most likely they won't, but yeah. Let's see. Archangel Michael, will these people stop? This one. Or any final message. 2 of Pens. I'm getting 2 of Pens is the 2 of Swords. Oh, they'll be blocked though, okay? They're going to be grounded. Something about these clouds. I don't know. The clouds might stop them, okay? Some would have blamed, right? Yeah, he looks disappointed and sad. Thank you. Alright, collective. If you like the video, like the video.